An essay is a short formal piece of writing dealing with a single subject. In this lecture, we would learn that how can we ace our essay. So let's get started. Okay, so these are some of the things that you need to know about the essay question that is given in your paper. Number 1, there are 3 to 5 topics from which one is to be chosen. Number 2, the topics range from various areas of study such as current affairs, social issues, etc. Number 3, before writing an essay, it is a must to make an outline. Number 4, the outline should have at least 7 to 10 points. Number 5, your essay should have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. Number 6, your essay should be of about 300 to 350 words long. And number 7, the total number of marks allotted for this question are 25. Next question that arises in our mind is that how do we make an outline? Outline is basically a sketch of the main ideas of the essay. The first point of the outline is introduction, and the final point is understandably conclusion. Your outline must constitute of at least 7 to 10 points. The outline should always give a true reflection of the essay you are going to write, and the outline of your essay entails marks, hence it should be crafted carefully. Writing an essay involves a lot of careful thinking about beginnings, middles, and ends. Enough reading and research beforehand would enable you to make a plan. After choosing a topic wisely, it is strongly suggested that you jot down all your interesting thoughts on a paper as you research and then put them in a logical order. Do not forget to make an outline highlighting the key points of the essay you are going to write. Once you are all set to write your essay, you must know that the first paragraph must contain the introduction. When it comes to writing, the introduction is always a good start. This should show that you've got the right question and that you understand what it's talking about. It should also give us some pointers about how you are going to tackle it. Many examiners like you to give your answer in the introduction and then explain it in the rest of the essay. One thing that is very important over here is that your introduction should be a striking one, so it immediately grabs the attention of the examiner. Then comes the middle. This is where you have the chance to display your intimate grasp of complex topics, your extensive reading, your use of evidence to back up an argument, and your powers of analysis. While it is always good to use quotations to support your opinion, you should always make sure that a lot of the essay is written in your own words. The final paragraph of the essay provides the conclusion. This paragraph should summarize the arguments presented in the body of the essay. The last sentence of the concluding paragraph should communicate that your essay has come to an end, and your concluding paragraph should communicate to the examiner that you are confident that you have proven the idea as set forth in the introduction. If you internalize this format, you will develop the ability to write clear and compelling essays. Do not forget that you need to read through the essay several times to check spellings, style, sense, and consistency. Another thing that is worth mentioning over here is that you have to give the word limit at the end. Finally, these are some of the most important essay topics with respect to university exam. Please practice them while you are staying at home.